All right. Why did I buy these? I don't know. I thought they were super cute, and I have nieces and nephews. So, project of the afternoon is take these both apart, and yeah, we're gonna splash some paint on them and make them look pretty again. 5-10 minutes later, disassembled. The only thing that's hard to get apart were these little clips on the end. Man, those things, they bit on that shaft pretty good. You're next, buddy. That, folks, is number 2. So, pretty cool. I got to admit, I really appreciate this seat. It is completely plastic. Yeah, pretty sweet. Nice shape. Definitely. All right, let's get to scuffing. Woo. Okay, I've been in the zone. No videos. So I wire wheeled off most of the stuff. Quick palm sand over all the surfaces. Metal etch primer. We'll move on to the other unit. We'll get it sanded down, primed up, and then we'll shoot them both with paint. All right. There's a little white on the seat. Next up, we'll do a little red on the frame. Right. I'm in here working away, and out there, got those two yahoos. Oh my gosh. It's not even basketball. I think that's the point. This does not sound like it did. It just made really bad noises, and I don't know. Ugh, doesn't sound good. It hasn't gained 5 pounds of pressure in 5 minutes. Actually been sitting out here. It's a little cool today. They look pretty good. They've been sitting here for about 2 hours. The paint's still a little tacky, but it's hardening up. Looks pretty good. Oops, just about dropped my phone. Tonight, a little bit of polishing. Yeah, why not? I think it'll look good. Not everyone will get this, but shout out to Morris Hall, Sterling Hall, and Kevin Bell for riding that old rally. It is now my wall art. Shiny on the outside. A little bit of tape. Black paint on the inside. Let this dry. Get that fender on. Goofing around here. Things are starting to look more and more like little machines. But we've got these tires. And I also need pedals, but we need to come up with something inventive for this guy. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there, so we'll see. Oh, so apparently they're hard. I dropped this on the ground, and I broke the tire off. Now what do I do? Alright, so someone's going to completely make fun of me. But for the record, I snapped that wheel in half. So I'm going to try to glue it back together. And this one, I'm going to throw some spray foam down inside there to build up, then trim it back, and then see if we can epoxy it the same thing we do that wheel. They probably aren't going to hold together, but it's worth a try. So there's the theory. We cut all the excess off. I'm going to go in here, grind out a little bit of this to make a bit of a depression. And then we're going to go at it with some PC7. It's basically a 2-part epoxy. Who knows if this is going to stand up, but whatever. We're going to go with a little bit of PC7 here. We took all that foam, just kind of worked it back a little bit. This is a paste, so we're going to mix it up, 2-part epoxy, and shove it in there and pray. All right, that's what it looks like. Next one. So there's how that one turned out. Not too shabby. And then there's this one. I can't find my straps. Can't find anything to pinch it down with, but the break across here. Yeah. I don't care if this works or not. I think it's hilarious. Everything looks so much better with a fresh coat of paint. Craigslist rebuild right there, baby. Go, 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 go! 6'5", still a child. You can do it. You can do it. I think you gotta put your legs over the handlebars. Dude.
Okay, wait.
Come on, Trevor. Come on, Trevor. Here he comes. Oh, you big boy.
Oh, please stop it.